Here is your Filipino sinangag garlic fried rice. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, The Tinker and Cook. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how I make the classic Asian fried rice. Okay, so you know that rice has always been associated with Asian dishes. It's truly Asian. That few actually understand that this carb is so versatile. It also blends well with other dishes other than Asian. You can skip your usual potato to pair with your dinner steak, or you can add some amazing veggies on your rice that it could replace your side salads. So why do I think rice as versatile? Well, rice for me is like a blank canvas. Okay? It accentuates the flavor of the food you pair with it. That's why you would understand that most Asian food are actually rich and flavorful because it goes well with the king of the plate. Yeah, for me it's the king of the plate, rice. There's a lot of hullabaloo about cooking rice. You see how Uncle Roger ran over those who somehow dishonor rice by not knowing how to properly cook it. Well, I cannot blame Uncle Roger. Rice is simple to prep, yet most fuck it up. Okay, so this video, I will be showing you how to cook the classic Filipino fried rice we call sinangag. So the basic ingredients of this, of course, you need the rice, you need oil, garlic, minced garlic, okay, and you need two of the main condiment, which is salt and MSG. That's it. That's the Pinoy sinangag. Please note that when you are cooking Asian food, as much as you can, stick with Asian ingredients. Having said that, olive oil is not recommended. And for your rice, you will be needing the least is day-old rice, chilled in the fridge. But of course, you need to properly cook the rice. I cannot show you on that on this video. But if you have a rice cooker, you are safe. Okay? So why do we need to properly cook day-old rice? Well, newly cooked rice will extend further the cooking of rice, and your fried rice will turn mushy, clumpy, and probably just one fucked up rice. Okay? A day-old rice has already released its extra moisture, making your rice to properly coated by the oil. And the grains are somewhat separated to each other, making it easy for you to toss in the pan. So first thing that you need to do is you need to heat the pan before putting the oil. Actually, this is one ugly looking old pan where I think most of the Asian household has. So after a few seconds, making sure that your pan is hot, you need to put your oil. Oh, don't be too stingy with the oil, as you need the oil to distribute the garlic flavor to your rice. So having said that, I'm gonna put more. Okay, generous amount of oil, but remember, you are cooking fried rice and you are not deep frying something. So yeah, basically it's common sense. Once your oil is hot enough, put your minced garlic. Okay? The more, the merrier. The more the merrier because you want the aromatic flavor. Okay? Remember, you want your garlic to be light brown, not dark, as this might give a burnt flavor on your fried rice. Okay? So light brown. Okay? Okay, I prefer this method than separating the garlic and just putting it as a garnish, because this way it makes the garlic flavor to infuse more in the rice. Okay? And once you have that aromatic flavor of the rice and you see that your garlic is light brown, you need to add your rice. Okay, in mixing the rice, you can use a ladle, especially when you're using a wok. This way, you can easily loosen those rice clumps using the base of your ladle. But I'm using this type, okay? But you still have the medium depth that serves the same purpose, like, you know, loosening those rice clumps, okay? Yeah, so you want to mix. Make sure that the garlic is infused with the rice. So once you properly incorporated the garlic with your rice, okay, the next thing that you need to do is, of course, put some salt, and of course MSG. Okay? You can add the two as soon as you put your rice, but you need to do it gradually. Okay? Salt is very important, but you don't want to end up like a very salty fried rice, so it's very important to taste. Okay? So there you go, guys. Here is your Filipino sinangag garlic fried rice. Okay? There's a lot of variations of doing a fried rice, and some has different ingredients to add in. But what I like about the simplicity of this Filipino fried rice is that you can match it with any proteins and veggies without compromising the flavor of it. Again, you can replace your potato or other starch with this on your steak, etc., etc. Okay, in Filipino cuisines, the fried rice is very famous breakfast carbs that is paired with different variations. And it always comes with a sunny side up egg. Okay, I will be showing you in my future episodes those variations that we famously call as silog. So again, guys, this is the Filipino garlic fried rice. So please share this video and please don't forget to subscribe. Your support means a lot in building my passion in cooking. So by subscribing, it gives me extra reason to continue doing what I love to do and sharing it with you all. This is the Tinkering Cook, and thank you.